Hypermaintenance.
Okay, you ready?
I basically had no experience, and now pretty much know how to operate the units. Run through all the navigation menus, connect the hand pieces, and do calibrations.
It looked more complicated than it was.
You thought it was more
I
complicated?
thought it was more complicated.
Oh.
We know what to look for when we're doing repairs or maintenance of the units. And troubleshooting and talk to the staff what's happening.
I like all the material that's provided, step-by-step documentation, pictures. I think
A
that's
PM
really
kit.
useful. Yeah, the
Having a
PM,
PM kit is
toolkit's
very-
really nice as well.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna use the tools for it more than just this.
There you go.
That's scary.
The group.
Group
The group,
atmosphere,
yeah.
group atmosphere is way much nicer.
Mhm.
So what made it nice as a group?
The people I'm with. Yes.
Yes.
Definitely.
They knew a lot of.
More in depth. They knew a lot more in depth than just
A lot of
just
experience.
showing the service manual. Best training I ever had. That's what I can say. All the trainings I've ever had is one of the best.
A very good hands-on class.
Thanks.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Serge.